Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the concept of heaps guys. Okay, so basically what are heaps? So heap is a data structure which belongs to complete binary tree guys. So it is a family, it belongs to the family of a complete binary tree. So why and how we'll be discussing in this lecture, and we'll be going through the examples also. Like how insertion will take place and all those things. Okay, yes. So let us start. Okay, so basically heaps are of two types guys, min heap and max heap. Okay, so what is the concept of min heap? Sorry for that. Okay, so min heap, so basically what is a min heap is that, so whenever a parent is there, so the parent should be less than the values of its child. Similarly, the parent should be less than the values of its child. So in this way the structure should flow guys, and the structure should follow the complete binary tree format. Like if you are working on n layer, all n minus 1 layers should be filled, and this n layer should be filled from left to right. So that concept is nothing but min heap. So if we are having minimum values at the as the parents, whereas a max heap, the maximum numbers as the parents. Got it? Yes. So if you want an example, so the example will look in this way guys. Okay, yes. So I think I have wrote this 42 times, so let me make it 30. Okay, so 10, 15, 30. So 10 is less than these two, 15 is less than these two, 30 is less than these two. Got it? Yes. Similarly, max heap, 100 is greater than these two, 40 is greater than these two, 50 is greater than these two. Max heap. Got it? Min heap, max heap. Simple, right? Yes. Okay, so let us continue. So suppose H is a complete binary tree with n elements. So H is a complete binary tree with n elements. H is called as a heap if each node of n, okay, each node of n follows the property. So the property is nothing but the value of n is greater than the value at each of its children. So what I told you, so it should be less than, the property should be there, right? So if you are taking this node, if it is the minimum value, so among these two values, this should be the minimum value if you compare. So that's what it's written here. So if it is a maximum, it will be max heap. If it is minimum, it will be min heap. Got it? Yes. So these are the examples. Okay. Yes. So your question will be, okay, so now we got the idea, but in examination, what kind of questions can we expect? So you can expect a direct question. He will give you 4 trees. Okay. And he will say which of the following is min heap. Okay. So this is a GATE 2011 example guys. Okay, so these are some popular trending questions you can say guys. Okay, yes. So 10, 8, 6, 4, 5, 2, 1. So observe, is it a max heap or is there any issue here? So 10, 8, okay, so everything looks good, but if it is a max heap, it should follow min heap, sorry, it should follow complete binary tree, right? So there are in total 3 missing nodes, not even 1 or 2. 3 missing nodes are there, hence this is a not min heap, sorry, max heap. Okay, so now let us check this. So 10, okay, so 10 is greater than 8 and 6, fine. 8 is greater than 4 and 5, fine. 6 is greater than 1 and 2. So for now I think B is the answer, but in examination, even if B is the answer, please continue checking C and D also. If you are 100% sure that C and D are wrong, then you tick B. Got it? Yes, because there will be some confusing things. So first time when you see, you think that is correct, but at the end it is a wrong option. So that's the reason why check 4 options carefully. Okay, yes. So 10 is greater than 5 and 6, done. 5 is greater than 8 and 6, 4 and 8. So here there is a mistake. Got it? Similarly, 6 is greater than 2 and 1. Okay, this is okay, but here is a mistake. Similarly, 5 is greater than 8 and 2. Oh my god, this is a mistake. Okay, here there is again mistake. Okay, here there is one more mistake. Okay, yes. So these two are also wrong. So hence B is the correct option. Got it? Yes. So now you got an idea, right? So how heap, max heap and min heap comparisons should be done. Okay? Yes. So now let us learn about the insertion and deletion of nodes in this max heap or min heap guys. So the concept of both of them will be the same. That is the reason why for our understanding I am taking max heap only guys. Okay? Yes. Okay. So let us start. So basically if you insert values, you will be just inserting blindly, but you will check only one condition. If it is max heap, the maximum should be parent. That's it. That's all you will check. Okay? Yes. So let me write the string or the values 32, 15, 20, 30, 12, okay, 25, 16. So we are trying to build max heap. So what is min heap? Min heap means opposite you will do. You will take the lesser values. Okay? Yes. So 32, Okay, so after that insert a 15, after that insert 20. So everywhere it is satisfying, perfect. After that we got 30, so 30 will come here. But 30 is a greater, right? Yes, so let us push it, let us swap them. 15, 20. So now we are done with 32, 15, 20, 30. So 12. So 12 will come here, fine. 25, 25 will come here. But again here the problem will come. Again we need to swap them. Okay, 32, 30, 20, 15, 12, sorry, it's 25, right? Yes, 20, got it. Yes, that's it. So after that we are having 16, 16 will come here, done. Yes, so now you constructed the max heap, simple, right? So in 3 steps in a small piece of paper I have constructed it, right? Yes, so the next question is deleting nodes, guys. So how you can delete in max heap or min heap? So the thing that you should remember is always the deletion, you will try to delete the root node, guys. So whatever the root is there, that node only you will delete. So in examination he will not say to delete that node. So delete 32 he will not say, he will say delete operation thrice. 3 times you need to do delete operation, that's it. There's no more questions or no more answers. In that way it will be there, guys. Okay, yes. So how you will be deleting 32 or the root? So the first step is nothing but swap this 32 with the last element, guys. Okay, so 16 will come on the top, 30, 25, 20, and here is our 32, okay, 15 and 12. Okay, yes. So now 32 is at the bottom, so leaf nodes can be deleted easily. So you will be happily deleting this. Okay, so once that deletion is done, you will start comparing, guys. So what exactly you will compare? Okay, yes. So you will compare 16, okay. Okay, sorry, just give me a second. So you will compare from bottom up fashion, guys. So at 21, are there any children? No, so there is nothing. Similarly, at 12, are there any children? No. At 15, are there any children? No. At 25, are there any children? Yes. Is it following max heap property? 25, 20? Yes. 30, is it following max heap property? Yes. Now 16. So 16, is it following max heap property? No. So 16, 25, 15, 12, 20. So in this way, so now we got the max heap, right? Yes. So after deletion, so again if you want to delete, again swap, again delete. So in that way the deletion operation will work, guys. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea about the max heap and heaps, right? All about heaps. Okay, yes. So you can expect a direct question on giving some options and he will say whether it is a max heap or not, or min heap or not. Identify the missing thing, or he will ask you to delete a particular node and draw the result. So those kind of things could be asked, guys. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea. So in the next lecture we'll be discussing about graphs, guys. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.